Welcome to Shweta's Exotic Cooking Corner. Today I am gonna teach you how to make chicken lollipop, fried chicken lollipop with few simple ingredients. As you can see, I have chicken lollipops. These were the wings, which is cleaned and shaped like a lollipop. I can create a separate video for chicken wings. Okay, let's start with the ingredients first. So we have taken around 15 pieces of chicken lollipop. I have 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give nice color to the dish. At the same time, it will not add too much of spice. I have taken half tablespoon of coriander powder. I'm not making it a tandoori masala, that's why I'm not adding it little bit. This much is enough just to give the taste. Salt. I have ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. I have food color. This is optional. I'm not gonna add this because we don't like food colors in our food. I have just kept it to show you. If you want, you can add a pinch of red food color to it. And I'll be adding a little bit of vinegar. So let's start the process. Last but not the least, I also have to add 2 whole eggs. All these ingredients one by one into the chicken and mix it really well. I have added 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Corn flour will give little crispiness to this, and maida will give a nice binding to all the spices. Now I'm gonna add rest of the spices. So here, as you can see, I have added all the spices: red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, 2 eggs, and now I'm gonna mix it really well. So here you can see I have mixed everything really well. All the chicken is really well coated with the masala. I have not used any food color into it, but the Kashmiri red chili have given really nice color to it. If you can keep this in the fridge for overnight or maybe at least for 5-6 hours, it will give a really good taste to it. If not, then you can just fry it and it's all ready. So anyways, I have added a half teaspoon of vinegar to it. Let's go to the next process. So I have heated oil over here. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna fry these lollipop one by one. So we'll wait until the chicken is nicely cooked from all the sides and crispy. So I'll flip this and cook it more from the other side. Chicken doesn't take long to cook. It looks like it's done. Let's check. Almost there. When it's fried chicken lollipop, I like it to be crispy on the outside and nice and juicy inside. So it looks like it's done. Let's take it out. Lollipop is ready to be served. I'll serve it with my homemade Szechuan chutney. Hope you enjoyed. Like the video. Thank you.